Good evening, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. Today is 3rd of the October 2023, and as I have already told you, from October I will be starting questions on current affairs. So let us start with the current affair questions. There are set of 5 questions. This is a set of 5 questions, and in my video I have already told about current affair portion. Current affair portion we will be preparing it from monthly policy review, which is a government document which is authentic, and you will be able to solve your 90 to 95% questions based on current affairs, both in preliminary and written examination from this compact source alone. But this is a very compact document. You will have to read it multiple times before you can understand it to the extent so that you can recall it and recollect in your examination. So, and in this connection, asking questions from this part will rouse your curiosity, and you will dig deeper in the syllabus, in the content, by means of these questions. And as I have already told you, that take these questions as a means of a kind of knife which will help you cut into the core of the syllabus. Because the more questions your mind will have, the more answers your mind will see, and that's why you should prepare yourself for the civil service examination. So let us start with the questions. PSSP Current Affair 3rd October 2023. This is monthly policy review April 2023, and this is test number 1. So question number 1, marginal standing facility rate refers to A. Banking, B. Warehousing, C. Transport, D. Education. Question number 2, the marginal standing facility rate refers to A. The rate at which banks can borrow additional money from RBI, B. The rate at which RBI borrows additional money from banks, C. The rate at which RBI buys bills of exchange, D. All of the above. Question number 3, bank rate refers to A. The rate at which RBI buys bills of exchange, B. The rate at which banks can borrow additional money from RBI, C. The rate at which RBI can borrow additional money from banks, and option number D, none of the above. Question number 4, regarding the draft National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2023 NCF, following are broad areas of curriculum. A. 1. Language, 2. Mathematics, 3. Science, 4. Social sciences, 5. Arts, 6. Interdisciplinary areas, 7. Physical education, D. Vocational education. Of the above, A. 1, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are correct. B. 1, 3, 5 and 7 are correct. C. 4, 6 and 8 are correct. And D. All the above are correct. Question number 5, aquaculture refers to rearing and cultivation of fish under controlled conditions. B. Rearing and cultivation of crabs under controlled conditions. C. Rearing and cultivation of hydrophytes is called aquaculture. And D. All the above. So these are the 5 questions. Kindly solve these questions and search the correct answer from monthly policy review, which is available at PR. You should have to type on Google as MPR and PRS. MPR PRS. PRS.com is the website in which monthly policy review is available. You can easily download and print it and get a hard copy of it and read it again and again, so that you can answer the questions based on them. Because reading those government document will create an authentic and acceptable response for the UPSC, because UPSC is primarily a government controlled body, although it is a constitutional body, but it is governed by PMO, that is Prime Minister Office, under the Department of Personnel and Training. So you should understand the standard of the questions. Questions are asked by the government, and their answers should be based on what is perception of government about his work. So policy of government should be known by us, what government thinks about his policies, and exactly we have to write that much, that answer, so that we can fetch the answers. Government asks questions and also expects the answers of its own. Then only he will, the examiner will give you the marks to handsome marks, so that you will be able to find a place in the final list of civil services examination. So good luck, solve these questions and search the correct answers.